We're excited to be here to launch Family Safety Hub at Snapchat, which is going to further empower parents to have conversations with their teenagers and young Snapchatters about staying safe on our platform. We're also proud to be doing this with our partners at the Abu Dhabi Early Childhood Authority as a continuation of the Children's Digital Wellbeing Pact that we signed earlier this year.
I'm Fatma Al-Milhi, Director of Special Projects Department at the Abu Dhabi Early Childhood Authority, aiming to create a safe digital environment for our children and empowering their parents to become part of this journey with their kids.
This feature is going to protect teenagers on this platform. Amazing.
As part of our continued commitment to safety on Snap, we look forward to doing a lot more of those initiatives, and thanks for being with us.